Hiya, welcome back. Today I am doing all the crafts. I'm doing clay, I'm doing paint, I'm doing stuff with plants, real and not so real. I'm doing LED lights, I'm doing maybe even Irish folding, some woodworking. Of course there's gonna be hot glue involved, and everything with these two thrifted items. Let's see what we can make of it. I got these two photo frames for €1 each instead of €10 I think at IKEA's. So the thing is, they are used and they seem a little bit beat up with the tape on the inside, and there's no back on this one. Or there's a back, but not with the hangy thing. But I'm thinking maybe someone just flipped it around. Same with this. On the inside where the tape is, what if they turned it over and then ruined it? So the front, the actual front, might be okay. Let's find out if they are okay. Let's find out together. Yes, it has the hangy thing, hooray! It is flipped over, but it's not great. And there's the front, of course. Actual glass. I thought it was like plexiglass. This is actual glass. Let's see, what about this one? This one looks good. It is dirty, but it seems to be in one piece. Yay! What am I gonna do with two of these? I'm gonna make baby gifts or birth gifts. As in, they're not for the baby, but for the parents. As in, hey, happy you have a baby day, kind of thing. Birth gifts. I have done something with a photo frame like this before. It ended up looking like this. And this time I have two more, and both of them are going to be completely different. So I'm very curious. First, let's clean these things. Sandpaper, no way back after this. Okay. I hate it. It just turns black again. I did not have the color I needed, of course, but here you can see what I had to mix up to get sort of the right color. I was actually quite happy with this. In the end, when it dried up, it was actually the right color. So here we go, painting on the green. So I did some sandpapering in between the two layers, and I cut that in 2 angles. Yes, because it's that interesting. Also the cleaning, guess what? 2 angles. Haha. And then painting the green on top of the green, also 2 angles, because that's the most exciting part of this video. Or is that me painting on the transparent varnish? In 2 different angles. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Look at the shine though. I'm thinking making this little girl out of clay. So I've got this packet of clay. I think it's air dry. Yes, I have these amazing tools. If you've seen my very first video, that was Christmas themed. I did some clay stuff as well. And it came with these very professional tools. So that's what I have. Wish me luck. Starting to look like something. That's all right. And look at this! They actually look like the picture, and I'm very pleased with that. After letting them dry for a little bit, I am painting them. Here you see me paint the wheels and of course the stroller. And I can tell you the colors were quite hard to get right, but I did my best. And of course the little girl, and this is where my camera died. I'm sorry. But this is what it looked like in the end. Ta-da! There you go. I do, however, have footage of me painting on the clear coat. You're welcome. Also on the pram. There you go. Let's just quickly move on, shall we? Okay, next I want to do the middle. I found this crafting paper, which is little hearts. I have these tea bags, which I think these lines, they're very cute. So if I use that for the iris folding, that might be nice. So I'm just gonna start trying stuff out. See what happens. And it's amazing. Oh, it's very good. For the flag line, I found these little wooden flags, but there was only one Z. And they were all the wrong colors. So I just flipped them over and I took 5 of them and I painted them in all the right colors. After letting them dry, I simply took a Sharpie and wrote the letters on them. The string came with the wooden flags. Strung them all on the string. I did have to fidget a little bit because they were not hanging straight. But there we go, got my own flag line. Okay, so we have a lot of things ready now, but we have this little thing, stroller, the buggy, I don't know, the baby bed on wheels, and it needs wheels. I put some holes in the bottom when I was making this. I was thinking ahead. So I hope I can stick this in there, sort of, yeah. And I've got some holes in these, so the wire can go through. So now I only have to make this shape. That's all. Let's try it. Wait, what? That's not flat. Who thought of this? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. No, no. Oh, yes. Okay, well that's clearly finished. It even stays up. I think that's quite good. Don't look at this. Also the other side is beautiful, not wonky at all. Don't look at it all at the same time, right? I'm gonna snip it. That looks like a structural sound structure. Is that not very cute? I think it's very cute. Okay, okay. What else do I need to do? I think we're gonna put it together. That's exciting. gonna get my hot glue. Hold on, I need to drill a hole as well. So as you can see, there is this little branch. So I've got a stick. So I was thinking if I just like drill a little hole in this side so I can stick the stick in. That'd be good, right? Logics. There we go. Okay. It's a bit much, isn't it? Use the glue thing to make sure I don't drill in my table. What a good idea. Oh, I know. Right. Drill. I've got a drill. Good. Didn't go through the protection layer. Let's unplug this. It actually is perfect. Squish it in. I don't even need to glue it. That is solid. That's good, I think. I like that. There we go. Plop her down. No, other way around. Oh my gosh. If I take this out. How cool is that? Something like this. This is it. I'm actually quite excited. This was quite a bit of work. A lot more than I anticipated. That's good, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, we have the frame. Glass is in it already. Then we have this whole construction. Not gonna show you yet. This can go on top of it. Are we ready? How cool is that? Guys, I am so pleased with this result. Obviously, I didn't have time to do both of the gift. The only thing I did with it was take it apart and clean it. But very fast, I was realizing this was taking up so much more time than I thought it would. I will get to the other one, I promise, just not in this video. It was too much to just squish into one video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!